Hey folks, Jeff Youngs again with PYY Law. We are talking today about inheritance tax. We do a lot of estate probate and administration work, so inheritance tax is just one step in that process, but we want to give you an idea of what that is. So we're talking about what it is and how much is it generally, and then third, who pays it? How does that get taken care of? So inheritance tax is a privilege on the ability to transfer property at death. There's a tax on that, believe it or not. Basically, everything under Pennsylvania law right now, except life insurance, everything somebody has at their death, except life insurance, is subject to Pennsylvania inheritance tax. So that is the IRAs, it's the 401ks, it's assets that are jointly owned with somebody. So that covers what it is in general terms. Next is the amount. If somebody has a will, we look at who's getting the stuff. If there's no will, then Pennsylvania law says who gets the stuff. But you look at the recipient, and if it's going to a spouse and the asset there is a 0% tax rate, so no inheritance tax. If it's going to a child or a grandchild, or even if it's to a parent or a grandparent, then it's 4.5%. If it's going to a sibling, then it's 12%. And if it's anybody else in the world, then it's 15%. And that percentage is the percent of the asset's value at somebody's death. So lots of calculations going into that. We can do deductions as well. So a pretty complicated formula, but ultimately there's a way to calculate inheritance tax, and that is due within 9 months of the date somebody passes away. The final thing in the video here is who pays that. If somebody has a will, then you look at the will and it can specify, is it the estate account or is it the beneficiaries in the will? Generally, it's the estate account in our practice, if there's enough money there. But if there's no will, or if the will does not say, then it's generally the recipients of the property that have to pay that tax. And that can have some consequences that maybe you didn't intend. So get a will done, make sure it fits your situation. If you have a will, take a look at it. Make sure it still makes sense for your situation. We're happy to help out. We're a Crawford County, Northwest Pennsylvania-based law firm. We do inheritance tax and estate probate stuff all the time. So if you want more information, check out our website at pyylaw.com or give us a call at 814-337-7000.